Hello everyone, so we are here at the Memorial Candle Monument that commemorates the heroism of the defenders and the residents of Leningrad during the years of siege in the war against Nazism. It was established by the government of St. Petersburg, Mr. Leon Litinsky, the Coordinating Council of Russian-speaking social organization in Israel during the World War II, Veterans Union Fighters Against Nazism in Israel, the Euro-Asian Jewish Congress. So during that war, the World War II, from September 8, 1941 until January 27, 1944, the city of the Leningrad, now is the St. Petersburg, was under military siege by the German Nazis forces, and some 490,000 residents and defenders of the besieged city were buried, including 10,000 Jews were buried in the city large Piskaryovsky Memorial Cemetery. So that is the Memorial Candle Monument.